Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. No funny hats because one of my webcams got hacked, so I can't film on the good camera. This is my backup, so I'm going to be off air for a little while. Hope not. I'm running off of a really cantankerous 12-year-old laptop. So anyway, first, support KFAB, support AKFAB. And Cheryl Hirsch, go check out Will Patriot's video. She needs help. She finally got a card through help of Will. And now the biggest problem is getting it running. And she walks all over the place. So go check out Will Patriot's GoFundMe page to help out Cheryl and her family. Okay, other than the eye problem and a few other things, I'm trying to get everything done really quick on this really crappy system. I talked to my IT guy. He has to come down and check it himself. So I have to wait a couple of weeks or another month because I live out in the boonies. Great. And hopefully I could transfer this fairly easy without any difficulties. But recently I had a lot of difficulties and I'll have a lot of people doing weird ass runs for food and supplies, and people were asking me questions, and I told them, I've been prepared a year and a half ago. You should be prepared now. They waited too long, and they now screwed up. Okay? Can't help those people. And I stepped on a few toes, so I think somebody, either domestic hacker or foreign hacker, I got a good idea who it is, centralized and targeted my webcam. So until I get that file corrected and uncorrupted, I can't do anything on my old computer. So that's kind of screwy. I know that. So I'm going to talk to a few people over email and stuff because I am tired. All right. You're on your own on this. The second wave, I goofed up on my calculations. You got less than a week and a half. I thought we had it 2 weeks minimum. Oh, crap. Wait. Let's see what's going on. Okay. I have to be really careful because something's goofy with this old computer, so I have to keep it very short. Make sure you check out Will Patriot's video to help out show her to have her car working again. Don't forget to support prayers and cards and cash and letters to our friend AKFab. I'm a bit behind. I'm tired. This is my first day outside wearing glasses without being blinded, seeing everything pure white. Real fun. Okay? Yes, I'm going to the doctor on Thursday, so don't worry about it. All right. I'm still vomiting a little bit. My fever broke. Now I just got the chills and the shakes. I don't know if that's my malaria kicking up or something else is kicking up, but it's been a hell. Okay, so we're going to end this really quick. Check out those two people. And, Lord. Just in case anybody forgot last, you can see that.